I'm Żaneta, and I come from Poland. 6 years ago, I packed my bags, leaving everything I knew behind, to start a brand new life on this beautiful island, Taiwan. I had no idea what to expect. I knew nothing about this country before. Back in Poland, I was used to living far away from the sea and mountains. However, when I arrived in Taiwan, I was blown away by the stunning landscapes that surrounded me. They are so close and easily accessible. Within an hour or two, we are in a completely different environment. Living in Taiwan has taught me to explore. Every weekend feels like an opportunity for a new adventure. Perhaps it's a small island, but there is always something exciting to do. One of the things that struck me the most is how safe and convenient Taiwan is. Back in Poland, there were times when I felt a bit hesitant to go out alone at night. But here, I have never had that worry. I began writing a blog to share insights about my life in Taiwan, along with numerous travel stories, as well as some YouTube videos. I got married and had a son. Soon, I also started my cake business. Before coming to Taiwan, I never thought I would actually be able to have my own business, but it feels easier to do it here than in my home country. Taiwanese locals are some of the warmest and most welcoming people I have ever met. People are very supportive and open to trying new things, and they have supported me since the beginning. Looking back on those 6 years, I can't help but feel incredibly grateful. Taiwan has become my home, a place of growth, adventure, and love. If you are considering taking a leap into the unknown, I encourage you to go for it. You never know where life might take you.